Hello and welcome to another tutorial, where today I will guide you through enabling the swipe for the sidebar in Dolphin Browser on your mobile device so you can access bookmarks and tools easily. First, open the Dolphin Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Advanced Settings to see more detailed options. Once you are in the Advanced Settings, scroll further down until you find the setting called Enable Swipe for Sidebar. At this point, simply turn on Enable Swipe for Sidebar by tapping the toggle next to it, so it moves to the On position. After you have turned it on, return to the main browser screen and try swiping from the left or right edge to confirm the sidebar opens smoothly. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video,